Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. I'm Suhaila Abdul Ghaffar, a nutritionist at the Center of Nutrition Epidemiology Research. Today, I would like to present on eating out from the perspective of parent. To date, the culture of eating out is emerging in Malaysia and has undergone a new dimension due to urbanization and socioeconomic status, resulting in nutrition transition in our population. The lifestyle changes include a notable shift in eating culture which closely linked to food environment as well. The growth of food stall, fast food outlet which make eating out affordable and convenient. In addition, inaccessible and availability of food sources have been perceived as one of the contributors for a less favorable dietary habit. Food consumed away from home are usually high in energy content, high in sugar and salt, but low in micronutrient and fiber. Frequent eating out has been linked with a low quality diet, potentially contributing to weight gain and other health problems. Therefore, the objective of the study is to explore qualitatively on perception, belief and behavior related to eating out from parent perspective. Now we move to methodology. The study design was a phenomenology approach in qualitative study. The targeted sample population was parents with adolescent age 13 to 17 years old. The purposive sampling coupled with snowballing sampling were used in this study. There was 27 respondents or informants successfully been recruited until it reached into saturation of the data. And the inclusion criteria as follows. And this study was carried out in multi-location in 4 different states in different regions. And the in-depth interview was applied with semi-guided research guide. Prior to data collection, pre-test and pilot study were carried out. The Atlasty software used for the purpose of data analysis. Okay, briefly, this is the information with regard to respondents recruited in this study. The mean age group was 43 years old. Mostly all respondents were mothers. In terms of locality, the distribution of the respondents was equally distributed in urban and rural areas. About 80% of respondents were Malay, followed by Chinese and Indian. Meanwhile, for education level, more than 17% have education at the college and university level. Based on the analyzed data, predominant perceptions that were derived and summarized into 9 themes and divided into facilitators and barrier factors. The facilitator factors such as time scarcity, food preference, availability and accessibility of the food sources, family time, and last but not least was to celebrate reward as one of the facilitator factors. Meanwhile, for barrier factors, of eating out were identified as the price of food away from home and the hygiene of the place. From the study, the finding revealed that eating out as an option for fast and easy meal to suit their hectic lifestyle. The finding revealed that time constraint and food preference as a strong factors which facilitated to eating out. And another noticeable finding shows that accessibility and number of food outlets within the neighborhood areas are encouraging for eating out in line with study by McGuffin et al. In conclusion, based on the finding of this study, the shifting in eating culture in Malaysia has an implication in terms of diet quality among young population and linked with obesity problem in future. Therefore, we need to emphasize to inculcate on awareness and incorporate nutrition intervention among adolescents and parents on healthy option and convenient food choice while eating out. We also need to enhance on policy parts such as operation hours for restaurants, emphasize on nutritional value, food labeling, calorie tagging for the food prepared out of home. Okay, this is my reference for this study. And with that, thank you so much.